Tatay, gani ang tinuod na baka, real baka in English. T-bone steak. Baka na siya nga, dagko. Mag-beef steak ni Karol for dinner, no? So, pag abot na mo diri sa balay siya ginahanjay, nagluto mig beef steak and jay, huy. Ayan, dako kay siya jay, big. Baka. Tinuod nga baka, real baka. Real cow. Nga. with sounds nga.
I was gonna pay for that.
Oh.
For that
500 peso
That
each. So,
filet mignon, New York strip, T-bone.
pink na pink, guys. Butter lang. Yan, ganyan magluto dahil butter lang ilagay. I don't know how to cook it. Only may bana. When I have to try it before, but na-overcook dahil. Na-overcook, no pink. No pink inside. So, meron siyang naluto. Nandito sa loob ng Tupperware. Not allowed pa to open, no? The Tupperware, no? To show.
No, you just leave it lightly covered.
Ayan.
Hold on.
Okay.
Supposed to leave it
Yes, sir.
covered.
So, ayan, Jay. Oh, dahok ay, Jay. Beef steak.
10 minutes.
Ice tea. Okay.
We got there's the T-bone right there. See the T-bone?
That's the T-bone.
T-bone, there's the bone, T-bone.
T-bone. Why you call it T?
Because it's a T.
Ah! That's,
The bone's in
nga.
the T.
That's why you call it T-bone. Oh, may bana dyan drinking hard wine. What's hard wine?
Only one.
What's hard wine is that, bana? You have a lot. You have more ano eh. Oh, that's the
1792.
Let me ano daw? If sweet a little bit or
No,
what?
ain't sweet. No.
Cheese.
Cheers.
Cheer pala. Not good. Parang tanduay. Tanduay tayo. Tanduay. It's like tanduay, ha? It's minidik. So, ano siya? 3 minutes.
3 minutes
And
each
2
side.
minutes.
And 1 minute, 1 minute. 7 minutes.
After niya magluto, Jay, ako naman ang next magluto. Mag-cook na kanyang breakfast. So, lutuin natin yung egg, tsaka long pork. I don't know if flavor spicy yun. You see that, let me see.
Mild.
If this is
It's
the,
not, no, it's not spicy.
ah, okay.
Regular.
Regular ground pork.